Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here phenol is given, you are reacting with acyl chloride and the catalyst is aluminum chloride. You have to find what will be the final product. The question is really about whether ring substitution happen or not, or oxygen substitution happen or not. The competition between ring and oxygen. Here the acyl cation is there and you are using aluminum chloride. Here if you look at the electron density of the benzene, here if you look at the electron density, benzene ring has higher electron density than OH. So aluminum chloride attack the benzene and activate it. So the ring is very reactive to acyl cation. So benzene substitution happens there. Even though it has the possibility of oxygen substitution, the ring activation leads to the major product, which is para-acyl substitution. The concept you have to learn here is the ring activation. The ring activation in Lewis acid, it's happening faster than the O substitution. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.